ready for the next step. But for now, I'm trying to get the right consistency of this. Again, aray ko. Again. Dahan-dahan lang po. Again.
Napapakaba ito dito. Namumula. Nagbablas.
Again, we have to mix it. Ayan. Okay. On my page also, ang Sarap Grabe, I made also traditional pastillas because this is the easiest way how to make pastillas. The traditional pastillas, we need to use a Carabao milk. Then you have to boil it until it's thickened. Then you have to put or add sugar. That it will become a condensed milk. That's why we have a condensed milk right now. This is the easiest way. And you have to mix and then put the powder.